Good morning everyone. Today I am going to teach a grammar chapter. The name of the chapter is One and More Than One. One and more than one. We also call singular and plural. Singular and plural. Singular means one of something and plural means more than one. Now I am going to give you few examples where we put S for plural. If there is one car, then the spelling is C-A-R, car. And more than one, cars, C-A-R-S, cars. Book, one book, B-O-O-K, book. And more than one, B-O-O-K-S, books. One pot and more than one, pots, P-O-T-S. Boy, one boy and more than one, boys, B-O-Y-S. Kite, one kite, the spelling of one kite, K-I-T-E, kite. And more than one, kites, K-I-T-E-S. Spoon, S-P-O-O-N. It means here is one spoon. And the spelling of spoons, S-P-O-O-N-S, spoons. It means more than one. Bag, B-A-G, bag. It's singular, the spelling of bag, B-A-G, bag. And more than one, B-A-G-S, bags. Flower, F-L-O-W-E-R, one flower. And in plural, flowers, F-L-O-W-E-R-S. Finger, F-I-N-G-E-R, finger, means one finger. And more than one, fingers, F-I-N-G-E-R-S, fingers. Pin, P-I-N, pin, one pin. And more than one, pins, P-I-N-S, pins. Now I am going to give you few examples where we put ES for plural. One box, and in plural, B-O-X-E-S, boxes. One fox, and in plural, foxes, F-O-X-E-S. One tomato, and in plural, the spelling of tomato is T-O-M-A-T-O-E-S, tomatoes. One potato, P-O-T-A-T-O. And more than one potatoes, P-O-T-A-T-O-E-S, potatoes. And one glass, the spelling of glass, C-G-L-A-S-S. And more than one, glasses, G-L-A-S-S-E-S, glasses. Brush, B-R-U-S-H, means one brush. And more than one, brushes, B-R-U-S-H-E-S, brushes. And one watch, W-A-T-C-H. And more than one, watches, W-A-T-C-H-E-S, watches. Branch, one branch, 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 and more than one branches, branches, branches. Let's revise. Where we add s for plural and where we add es for plural. car for one car and plural cars, cars. One book, 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 and more than one, books, books. Pot, one pot, pot, and more than one, pots, pots. Boy, 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 it means one boy, and more than one, boys, boys. One kite, 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 more than one, kites, kites. One spoon, 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 more than one, spoons, spoons. One bag, bag, more than one, bags, bags. One flower, 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 more than one, flowers. One finger, finger, more than one, fingers. One pin, pin, more than one, pins, pins. Now, here we add es for plural. Box, box means one box, and more than one, boxes. Fox, one fox, fox, more than one, foxes. One tomato, tomato, more than one, tomatoes, tomatoes. One potato, potato, more than one, potatoes. One glass, glass, more than one, glasses, glasses. One brush, brush, more than one, brushes, brushes. One watch, watch, more than one, watches. One branch, branch, more than one, branches. Now I am going to write few words where we find some changes in plural. One foot, 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 and more than one feet, FEET, feet. Here for singular, FOOT, and in plural, E. Goose, one goose, and more than one, geese, 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 and in the spelling of goose, GOOSE, goose. One woman, WOMAN, and more than one, women, WOMEN. Here is the difference. And child, one child, 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 and more than one, CHILDREN. I hope you understand. Thank you. Have a nice day.